Starting. Whining noise from the fuel tank. Hello and welcome to Car Fix Automotive. Today's video we are going to discuss about common symptoms of bad fuel pump. Number 1. Loss of power during acceleration. One of the more obvious signs of a failing fuel pump is a sudden loss of power when you try to accelerate. This can be particularly noticeable when driving uphill or overtaking another vehicle. If the fuel pump isn't delivering enough fuel to the engine, the car may hesitate or jerk when you press the accelerator. This is a dangerous situation, especially on highways, as it can prevent you from accelerating properly and maintaining speed. If you feel your car hesitates when you accelerate, don't ignore it. It's likely your fuel pump needs attention. Number 2. Difficulty starting. Another symptom commonly associated with a problematic fuel pump is difficulty starting. Because fuel pumps constantly run whenever the ignition is turned on, they can eventually wear out and weaken over time. A weak fuel pump may still pump fuel, but the vehicle may experience difficulty starting from the lack of pressure. A weakened fuel pump can cause the vehicle to take more cranks to start than normal, and in more serious cases may even cause the vehicle to require multiple turns of the key before it will start. Number 3. Whining noise from the fuel tank. One of the first symptoms of a problem with the fuel pump is a loud whining sound. An old or worn fuel pump may produce a noticeably loud whine or howl while running. Most fuel pumps will produce a quiet hum during their normal operation. However, an excessively loud whine coming from the fuel tank is usually a sign of a problem. There may not be enough fuel, a damaged pump, or contaminated fuel inside the system. Number 4. Decreased fuel efficiency. A failing fuel pump can also lead to poor fuel efficiency. When the pump isn't working as it should, it might deliver too much or too little fuel to the engine. If it's delivering too much, your engine will burn through gasoline faster than necessary, causing your miles per gallon to drop. You might notice that you're filling up at the gas station more often than usual without any changes in your driving habits. While poor fuel efficiency can have various causes, a faulty fuel pump is one of the more serious ones that needs immediate attention. A failing fuel pump can lead to significant power loss in a vehicle because it disrupts the engine's fuel supply. Below are the common causes and their solutions. Number 1. Insufficient fuel pressure. A weak or failing fuel pump cannot maintain proper pressure, leading to inadequate fuel delivery to the engine. Symptoms: engine hesitation, stalling, or lack of power under load. Solution: test fuel pressure using a gauge, compare with manufacturer specs. Replace the fuel pump if pressure is below recommended levels. Number 2. Fuel pump overheating. Cause: running the fuel tank low frequently causes the pump to overheat, reducing efficiency. Symptoms: intermittent power loss, especially after driving for a while. Solution: always keep the fuel tank at least 1/4 full to prevent overheating. Replace the fuel pump if it's already damaged. Number 3. Clogged fuel filter. Cause: a dirty fuel filter restricts flow, forcing the pump to work harder and lose efficiency. Symptoms: engine sputtering, poor acceleration, or stalling. Solution: replace the fuel filter as per the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. Inspect and clean the fuel lines if necessary. Number 4. Electrical issues, bad wiring or relay. Cause: corroded connectors, a failing relay, or damaged wiring can cause inconsistent power to the fuel pump. Symptoms: sudden engine cutoff, no start condition, or erratic performance. Solution: check the fuel pump relay, fuse, and wiring for damage. Test voltage at the pump connector, should be 12 voltage when ignition is on. Replace faulty electrical components. Number 5. Worn out fuel pump motor. Cause: over time, the fuel pump motor wears out, reducing its ability to supply fuel efficiently. Symptoms: whining noise from the fuel tank, hard starts, or gradual power loss. Solution: replace the fuel pump assembly if motor failure is confirmed. Number 6. Contaminated fuel damaging the pump. Cause: Dirty or low-quality fuel can cause internal wear or clogging in the pump. Symptoms: rough idling, misfires, or sudden power drops. Solution: drain contaminated fuel and replace the fuel pump if damaged. Use high-quality fuel and consider adding a fuel system cleaner.